Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram follower stuck. To know how to fix Instagram follower stuck, you should just go to settings. As you see, you will click here like this. When you will find this page, you will go to apps like this as you see, and when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. Here there is. Then in this page you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will go to clear cache. Then you will click clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.